Good morning. It is 5:15 in the morning. I'm just getting ready to go for a spin. And then I'm going to take you on the rest of my day. And now I'm going to eat. I'm just a part of a club setting up the tables, so I work so now I'm gonna work out, and first I'm gonna roll out because my legs are so sore from yesterday, and then I'm gonna do a sled, which I'm sitting in front of right now. Then I'm going to do shoulders and abs, I think. So I'll take you through that workout. Pardon my hair and my face. I try not to wear makeup when I work out for obvious reasons. I'll just break out tons. So yeah, I'm just gonna stretch and will myself to get up to push this sled. My workout was pretty short. Quick one. It was like an hour, which I guess is normal, but usually I am there for longer. I just have lots of things to do today and lots of work, so sometimes I just get it done and I can't focus going longer. So that's what we got. I'm going to have lunch, which I don't think there's any food, so I don't really know. If you don't know, we're living at my parents' basement because we are building a house. And my parents are in Vegas right now, which means there's no fridge or no food made. I think we ate all the chicken yesterday. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Maybe a grilled cheese. Protein after the workout. And then I'm going to do my makeup, do my hair, and I'm getting my nails done because they're really bad. And then I have lots and lots of events to go to. So
to get my nails done. I go to Beach UV on the 17th, and there's one in Mission. If you need a natural organic manicure, but it's lovely. And our night has begun. We are going to the bash.
Okay, I will text you later.
And I think it's a wedding show. So see how it is. Bye, Jenna. Shop. Actually, we're leaving. We're leaving the Holiday Park shop because we bought stuff. And now we're going to H&M for another shopping event, even though Jenna doesn't need to buy anything else. But that's where we're going. We made it to H&M. Jenna, Alicia is not paying attention. And we are checking out the holiday collection. You should come down to Chinook. You get 25% off.
Judged by my mother. So, oh yeah, I know. Like, I don't want to get judged. So this one's on.
Hey guys, so I just got home. Obviously, my hair never got done. I never curled my hair. It was just down, kind of like beachy waves. Like I just woke up. But yeah, just got home from all the events, and I picked up lots of things from H&M. H&M's definitely the best place. Even if it's not 25% off, it's definitely where I go to get basically everything for work, for going out, for all of that. So if you need a holiday outfit, go to H&M. And I was thinking about doing a haul video. I've never done one of those, but I feel like I've bought a lot of stuff, got a lot of stuff in the last 2 days, especially for holiday parties, so I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it was good. The events are good because now I go with Jenna to all of them, but we're friends with lots of the other bloggers that are there, and so it's fun to go to all the events. H&M, we gotta get to shop with our friends basically. So that was fun. And then went to this other blogger sale and I got a really nice jacket for like $30 because lots of bloggers, as you probably know, they get lots of free stuff, and so lots of them resell it later, which is good because they don't actually wear it, and it's good brands, so they have it. That's where I get my clothes from. Yeah, so it was a good day. It was a long day, and then I just have more work to do before I go to bed. I think it's like 9:30 or something right now, so I just have a little more work to do. It's one of those things where like the more you do before you go to bed, the less you have to do hopefully when you wake up. So I'm gonna get a couple things crossed off my tomorrow's list today, so I might be able to sleep in a little bit. Canceled spin in the morning because I don't want to wake up at 5. Not feeling it. Yeah, so that's my day. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to see more of like that, like my day-to-day life, what I do for my job or an influencer, or if you're looking for more haul videos or workout videos. Today was basically everything. Work, workout, clothes. let me know in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.